Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to their elders past, present, and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen up to what's coming next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Wrigley here with this week's Principals Report. Well, another busy week at Cranbourne East Primary School with more swimming programs. Our Year 2s have been on their swimming program all week and have been doing an amazing job. And our Year 5s and 6s also headed off to Listerfield Lake for their water safety days. And I want to thank all of their students for their participation and their excellent behaviour during those programs. And a big thank you to our PE team and all of our teachers for the hard work that they have done in putting those activities together for our students. It is going to be a short week for us at school next week, with Tuesday being Melbourne Cup Day. So I hope you all enjoy the day off and we will see everyone again next week. Don't forget to wear your hats every day and don't forget to keep reading every night. Bye now.
Hello, my name is Anguza and I'll be talking about next week's SWPBS. So for next week SWPBS, there are two. They are both about technology. The first one is responsibility. We keep our login details private. It is very important we keep our login details private because if you share them, someone else can use them. The second SWPBS is respect. We use our own login details. We should never use someone else's login details. Thank you, everyone.
Hi everyone, time to get Ridley. Here we go. What kind of band never plays music? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work out the answer. All right, boy, that time goes quick. Let's see how you went. What kind of band never plays music? A rubber band. Great job if you got that one. It was tricky this week. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.
Hi everyone, Miss Hollandquist here, and I have Mrs. Alice. We have had a busy week in PE this week, and we have some great results to share with you. Mrs. Alice, we had a couple of students go to our regional athletics.
Yeah, we had 2 students represent our school at the regional athletics last Wednesday. Aman in year 4 competed in the triple jump and managed to score 5th place out of 15 other students. We also had Satayesh in year 5 who competed in our 1500 metre event and finished 11th out of 25 students. We are incredibly proud of their efforts and all their hard work to get to the regional athletics. Well done.
Great job, you guys. And we've also had some hoop time results.
We had 2 teams go to our regional All-Star Hoop Time finals last week. Our All-Star Boys team and our All-Star Girls team. Both teams did an amazing job. The boys won one of their 4 games and had a really close finish in a couple that unfortunately didn't go our way. The All-Star Girls team had an amazing day, winning all 4 of their games and winning their final, which has put them into the All-Star State Finals, which will be held later in November. We are incredibly proud of all of our sport achievements over the last week and want to congratulate all the students.
Thanks everyone, we'll see you soon.